Hi everyone, it's Alicia, and today I'm joined by Rahul from LHPU. Rahul, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Alicia. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So you are a past LHPU student, and then after that you actually got hired by LHPU to teach the Introduction to Autonomous Mobility course. And in this video, we're going to discuss C++ and Python programming, because that does tie into that course. So first, I'd like to just ask you to tell us, what is C++ and Python?
C++ and Python both are a general purpose programming language. So we just instruct the computer to do using these programming languages to get various kinds of outputs from them.
Okay. And how are the coding languages used by students? Do they come in knowing the languages already, or do you kind of teach them along the way?
We don't ask students to have a particular idea of the language or have some amount of knowledge of it. We ask once the students are enrolled into it, we ask them to have some prerequisites of it, and we will take care of the students especially, and we will teach them everything what they need to be know, and we'll take care of them. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So my last question then is, how will knowing these coding languages help the students once they're looking to find a job and then future into their career?
Well, the kind of future is all about self-driving cars, right? So in that, sensors plays the key role, like an ADAS systems, like ADAS means advanced driver assisting systems, where in sensors, most of the sensors will be getting programmed before using C++ or Python. They use a lot of operating systems. And if the students have knowledge of these prior to, what they go into the jobs, so that will be huge helpful for them, and it will be a very kickstart for their careers.
Okay, wonderful. Well, as you said, this is definitely something that employers are looking for. So if you are a person who is considering LHPU, or you're looking into the Introduction to Autonomous Mobility course, you're definitely going to want to reach out to find a little bit more and get enrolled. You can reach out by giving them a call or just visiting online at lhpu.com. Thanks again, Rahul.
Thank you, Alicia.